We'll guide you through how to navigate the Stripe dashboard efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your main control center. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. This menu is your gateway to different sections of your Stripe account. Click on Home to get an overview of your recent activity and quick summaries of your account's performance. If you want to dive into transactions, click on Payments to see a detailed list of all your transactions, including successful payments and any refunds. For managing your products and services, click on Products, where you can add, edit, or remove items you're selling. If you need to handle your customers, the Customers section will show you a list of all your clients with their details and transaction histories. Don't forget to explore the Reports section for detailed financial reports to help you understand your business's financial health. At the top right, you have the search bar, which is incredibly handy for quickly finding specific transactions or customers by entering keywords. For settings and configurations, head to the Settings icon at the bottom left of the menu. Here you can manage account details, set up bank accounts for payouts, and configure your business settings. Remember, the dashboard is designed to give you a comprehensive view of your business operations, so take your time exploring each section to fully leverage its capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.